Luck has arrived.
Oh, you
Gold
got
one.
the other card.
Oh, I thought it got the gold one. So is the gold one, is it automatically 50 to upper? Nice.
But I can't get gold.
Grand? That'd be nice. Oh, don't do it.
One.
Yes.
Then you go to the big one.
Or minor. That wouldn't be bad either.
Yeah, but they're
Double my money right away.
you want that super because you're gonna go double three.
Wheel feature upgrade.
Come on, one more. Yes.
Come on, super
Get that
mansions.
mansion.
Nice, you got a mansion already too. Oh, you got 2 mansions.
Super mega hat.
Grand? Oh, that'd be...
Yeah, it is.
Super mega hat should be good.
Yeah. I had to go to the $5 I went back down because there's nothing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, we got a bunch of tape measures though.
Yes.
Retractable rulers.
There we go.
2 more. Wow, this is... Oh, there we go. That's what I needed.
Yes, that's great.
Oh, man. One more. Yeah, there we go. One, 2, 3. Come on, can we get some mansions? 2 more. Oh, man, 1 mansion. 2, 3. Nice. Another mansion.
Yeah, but I can't get the gold one. I got the gold one.
3 more. Come on. Yeah, there we go. That's good. I just opened a player's card. Count up. They want to tease you, man. Come on, 3 more.
Ow.
All right, let's see what we get. 2 mansions.
And then it goes up, back up, and then it closes.
That's terrible. $4. Get some minis on those. Mini. Nice. Oh, it's I thought it was $50. 7 and 11. You know what? I will take a double up on my second spin.